and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I've got a modification or two for the BMW 330D. Now I'm actually going to be modifying the wing mirror caps. Now on the current one, the state of the wing mirror caps is disgraceful. It's got sort of like lacquer peel and it's faded as well. So the replacement that I'm going to use is gloss black mirror caps. So it's the like for like replacement basically. I could have gone for carbon fibre, but I thought it might look a bit tacky given that there's no more carbon fibre on the car. And then also I'm going to put some dynamic LED sweeping sort of lights on the car as well, and try and install those as opposed to the bog standard flashing ones. But yeah, so today's going to be a pretty simple mod hopefully, and hopefully no mirrors are going to get smashed, because last time I did this on the Golf I smashed a mirror. So yeah, not a good track record, but hopefully, fingers crossed, it goes all to plan. So guys, the two mods that I'm going to be applying to the car are in these boxes. So I'll quickly get these out for you and show you exactly what they are. Gloss black wing mirror caps. So these look really nice, to be fair. I'll leave a link in the description of where I got these from. It's off eBay, only like 16 quid or something like that. So very, very cheap. In the other box we have the dynamic LED sweeping headlights. So there they are behind the plastic. So yeah, hopefully it'll just modernise the car a little bit, and I'm hoping the fitment's easy, which I think it is. So, but I've got a track record of making things hard. But yeah, let's get them fitted. Okay, so first things first is using this little pry tool. I've basically just got to pop this mirror this way, pop my pry tool in there, and then basically angle the glass out, and it should hopefully pop out without me breaking it. So now that I've got the cover off, it's a case of taking the actual plate off, which is a couple of clips in there. There's one there, and there's also one there, and that will take the back plate off the wing mirror. And there you have it guys, there's the back plate cover off. How bad that is. There you have where that's going to focus. How terrible that is. Shocking. Now obviously we are going to be replacing this light here as well to a dynamic sweeping one. So I'll just show you what it looks like on the old one. So to install the new light we need to take out 3 Torx screws. So there's one there, and then one behind those wires there. So that's what I'm going to do now. They've kindly sent me this little Torx tool as well, so I don't have to faff with my wrench and stuff, so pretty handy. All for 15 quid as well, which is a bargain. And then as well, to get the light out, we need to remove this tiny little Torx screw here as well. So I'll just get that one out now.
Boss ass bitch. Boss bitch. Boss ass bitch. Boss bitch. Boss
Mate, I am absolutely buzzing with that upgrade. I think it looks absolutely sick, and I'm so happy that I didn't actually smash any glass. I'm absolutely over the moon with that. It is tiny little modification, but those wing mirror caps as well, they look absolutely sick, mate. I just think it makes the car look so much more aggressive. Like, that's ridiculous. Such a cheap and easy mod to do in the grand scheme of things, and like, look how nice that looks, man. Oh, I am well chuffed. Honestly guys, this is the sort of stuff I absolutely live for. It's so simple, and some people are just gonna be like, what the hell, that is the easiest job in the world, but to me, that's progress. But yeah man, I'm so happy with that. That's honestly wicked. I will be leaving a link in the description for both the wing mirror caps and also the LED dynamic lights, if you want to go check those out yourself and get those installed on your car. But honestly, they are absolutely sick. I think you can get them on any of the F30 models, so it doesn't matter whether it's the saloon, the coupe or the estate. But yeah man, over the moon with that. So if you did enjoy the video guys, please smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you want to see more content like this, and I will catch you on the next one.
Boss ass bitch.